Welcome to Baking with Noah. Alright, bakers, today we're making Beavertails, a wonderful winter treat. Pause the video here to see all the ingredients necessary for this video. To get started, we're going to add our warm water to a small bowl, as well as a packet of traditional yeast, and a pinch of sugar. And now we're going to let our yeast bloom for 5 to 10 minutes, and it'll look something like this. Once our yeast is done doing its thing, we're going to add it to the large mixing bowl. And next we have to add the milk. Always the milk. Okay, quick clean. And now we'll add the pure vanilla extract, a little tiny bit of salt, our oil of choice, white sugar, a singular egg, and last but not least, 2/3 of our flour to start. We'll crank our mixer on a slow speed with the dough hook and slowly and incrementally add the flour until we get a bouncy, elastic dough ball that looks like this. This should take 8 to 10 minutes, and once we're done, we'll transfer it to a well-oiled bowl. We'll get some plastic wrap on this and let it rise for 30 to 45 minutes. Once the dough is done rising, we'll transfer it to a floured surface and gently deflate the dough with our fingies. It feels really nice. And now we'll need to divide the dough into golf ball sized pieces. And we'll need to roll these balls out into oval shaped pieces. Don't worry, this is not the final size. We'll be stretching them out later on. You can store these pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And when you're running out of space, add another layer of parchment paper. Very simple. Following this, it's time to shallow fry. That's right, another oil cooking video. Let's get this temperature to 385 degrees before stretching out our first piece and dropping it in the oil. And let me tell you, these need like 15 seconds on either side. You'll know it's done when it's golden brown, and it really doesn't take long. Once you get these on the drying rack, it's important to dust it right away with cinnamon sugar on both sides. The sooner the better, because it'll still be wet with a little bit of oil. And you can repeat this with every single beaver tail. And now, it's time for my favorite part of the video, where I get to try it. Look at this beautiful, fluffy, Canadian beaver tail. I squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on it and dig right in. Such an easy recipe and a huge crowd pleaser. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.